Tagra says. Tagra says. I am a legal representative. Kindly note. Ajay. Tagra says. Tagra says.
I am very disappointed, baby.
Your Lordship.
First time Tagra does not know what to say.
Hi, this is Jacqueline Fernandez, and this is me inventing vlogging in the 90s.
Mom, look, I'm taking my own self. I think it's coming.
Obviously, I had no idea what I was doing. But when I look back at this footage, I feel I always had a special relationship with the camera. I guess I have always been this camera friendly. Happy little kid.
All hyped up with excitement.
And I have two people to thank for that. My dad, such a joker. Always making sure me and my siblings had the best time ever. And my mom, who made sure all these moments were captured.
Oh, thank you.